This assignment says to determine the percent of area each section is of the whole region. And remember, percent means out of 100. I'll start out on number 1 by figuring out how many small squares are in the whole entire region. So I'll count and I'll figure out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units long in that direction, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units long in that direction. 10 times 10 is 100. So this one's going to be easy to find percentages because there are 100 squares total. This one has 12 squares. This one over here has 7 times 4, 28 squares. This one down here in the left, part C, has 3 times 6, so 18 squares. And this other one, 7 times 6, 42 squares. So this is 12 out of 100, and this one is 28 out of 100, 42 out of 100, and 18 out of 100. So whenever you have a fraction out of 100, you can write them as percentages. So part A would be 12%. Part B would be 28%. C would be 18%. And D would be 42%. Now it can get a little harder when there aren't 100 squares altogether. Let's take a look at number 6. It has a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a total of 25 squares in the whole entire shape. And then we can count. This tiny one is just 1, so we have 1 out of 25 there. And then right here it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 there, so we have 8 out of 25 for that one. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 out of 25. Let me do that again. 16 out of 25. And now we just have to change to percentages. So 1 out of 25 is the same as 4 out of 100, so that's 4%. 8 out of 25 is the same as 32 out of 100, so that would be the same as 32%. And 16 out of 25 is the same as 64 out of 100, so that would be 64%. Notice that the way that I figured out the percentages is I just imagined an equivalent fraction that would have 100 on the bottom, and I see 25 times 100 is, I have to multiply, 25 times 4 to equal 100, so I'll also do 16 times 4 to get 64. And I did a similar thing for the other percentages. It's also possible for the shape to have more than 200 squares. For example, number 4, if you count all the squares here, you're going to find out that there are 200 squares total. And if you count up each section, so 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get 18 here. And then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 6 will be 42 right there. And if we count down here, 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3 times 14 would be 42. And then for the other one, we'll have 7 times 14, which will be 98. So our different sections, so for part A, we're going to have 18 out of 200, which is the same as 9 out of 100, which is the same as 9%. And similarly, if you do this similar thing for the other ones, you'll get that this is 21%, 49%, and 21%. And if you add them all up, you see that they do add up to 100%, which should always happen. If you add all the pieces of the whole, it should add up to 100%, because 100% means 100 out of 100, which is the whole entire thing.